Can't believe for a moment you'll need this in 11 plus, but I rather like it. And since I'm doing this, I've decided. So thank you for still being here. Pen size I wanted. SOS. I'm sending out an SOS. It means save our ship. Though I'll be honest, I hadn't heard that one before. So I'm told I learnt it as save our souls, meaning help I need. But really, I think it was a way of remembering. It was a Morse code thing, and you would tap it out. They don't teach Morse code anymore. Fancy that. Took 4 years to learn it. You know, in the old black and white films, they go just fantastic. Anyway, it would go dit 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 da 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 dit dit dit. So it's a very clear signal. So supposing you are out walking on the downs at night, you slipped and broke your ankle, and you were trying to get attention, you might with your flashlight go dit 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 da 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 dit dit dit, and then they use save our souls or save our ship as a way of helping people, because everybody needs to know what that signal means. See you soon.